How to find feedback, emails, notifications, settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find feedback, emails, notifications, settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click here on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner and then settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then click email notifications, and as you see here you will find it feedback emails. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.